Yo, what's good guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're good and well. And today finally I've made this video because I've been getting a lot of questions on StockX, Goat and Alias. I thought I'll make a video and kind of address it. In that way I'm helping out a lot of people in the future as well. So essentially in this video I'll be going over how to not sell but ship. So how you'll be shipping to StockX, what happens, what's the process, the payment and everything. But it's not going to be only StockX. I'm going to cover Goat, Alias, Laced as well in this, in order to just make sure I'm covering each platform and just making it simple for you guys to basically just see this. So you're not going to see any of the selling part of this. If you want to see this, there should be links popping up right now. So there's one for StockX, Goat, Alias, Goat, Alias is together, and one for Laced. They should all be coming up over here. But other than that guys, please make sure you are subscribed and please turn the notification bell on. And now let's get to the video. So the very first thing that you guys need to do is make sure, before even like selling or anything like that, or even shipping, make sure your notifications are turned on for each platform. So StockX, Goat, Alias and Laced, even eBay and Depop, anything that you're selling your items on, make sure your notifications are turned on because you don't want to miss that. So let's begin with StockX. Once your item is sold on StockX, as I probably have already explained in my previous video or a video that I've done on StockX, there should be a link popping up. Please make sure you click on that and just see how it works, but selling and everything, the bids and all that kind of stuff. But once your item is sold, you will get a notification. This is why I said notifications are very important. Have them on. You'll get it through the app, and then you also get an email notification. But StockX does not send you a shipping label on your email. You will have to log into your either StockX account online if you don't have access to the app or your phone. If you have the app on your phone and you have access to it, you go onto your app, go on to selling, go on to the shoe that's literally, or the whatever, the item that literally just got sold. Click on it and there should be like a print label or print shipping label, like a little tab at the bottom of the page. Click on that and then you print the shipping label. You do not get that sent onto your email. Please listen to this again. You do not get that sent onto your email. Now please listen carefully to this next part with Goat and Alias. With Goat and Alias it works a little bit different. You would have to go on the app. Once your item is sold, it will send you an email notification and a push notification from the app, just like StockX, that your item has been sold. However, you need to go onto the app or log into your account, you go to your Alias account and confirm the sale over there. They ask you to confirm it just in case, like if you are able to send it or not, there might be an issue. Whereas on StockX, once the sale is done, it's done. It's straightforward. You have to go and print the shipping label within the app or your online account, and then that's it. So once you have printed it off, so I'm going to show you this one over here. This is from last year. I made a sale. Obviously I have crossed out my personal details. I want any of you guys looking at that. So this is for StockX. It should look something like this. You have page 1. So over here it says page 1. You have something like this. At the bottom it will have the QR code. Then it will have the order number, which I've completely rubbed up because the one you guys are getting access to my account and the item that I sold. Then you have the order number here again, and over here you have a description. So this was the Fear of God Essentials t-shirt, just over here, which I sold last year. It was about £76. I managed to sell it up. It was like £30 profit, somewhere around there. It was a size medium, so you have the size. That same goes with the shoes as well. Then you have the color right here. Some of the color over here, and at the bottom it will be just the normal shipping instructions, what to do, that kind of stuff. So over here it just says, just make sure the first page, which is page 1, it goes into the actual shoe box. Then page 2 for StockX, this one right here says page 2. This is what you have to cut off right here. So and this part is, again, over here it has the basic details, the item you sold, size, how much you sold it for, your order number, the color, the QR code, all that kind of stuff. This you don't need to send. You just need to cut this part. Basically, just send it off. and on StockX they only use PayPal at the moment. They don't use you know, like bank transfer or anything like that. So if you got a PayPal account, brilliant. If you don't have one, you're gonna have to create one, because that's what they use at the moment. But I do think that they will change it in the future, where you'll be able to use, you know, your bank account. You can link that to it, and your funds will be able to go in there. But so far, I think at the moment it's just PayPal. Next one is Goat, but I'm gonna cover Alias as well, because it's pretty much the same thing. They both use. I've seen Alias use UPS and use DPD at the same time. It's a bit weird, but I'll explain it. With Goat, you get the same thing. You get 2 pages, and same with Laced as well. I mean, at the moment, I didn't print any for Laced. It's the same thing. I don't want to keep putting too much paper and wasting it. But you'll get an idea of what I'm really talking about. So page 1 is where you have, you know, basic details of just like, this is the shipping page though. So you got your shipping page that you need to print off, cut this label off, attach it onto the box, not the shoe box again, to the actual cargo box. And what I like about Goat is that they give you a list of places like where you can ship it from. So it says your DPD pickup shops. So this is what they choose from based on your location. These are pretty much within less than a mile, so it's not really that far. For me, in my area, that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 different DPD pickup places or shops are in my area, and this is what they use kind of like as a guide. It's like give you like a rough estimate where you could potentially go. If you can't go ahead, then you can go ahead. Whereas StockX, they don't do that. It's a little bit annoying, just because if you're doing it for the first time, you might struggle. But don't worry, StockX has UPS access points. They are pretty much like every other like corner shop, and but not all of them though. So they're probably like the main, like, you know, where the town area is. There's like maybe a corner shop around there. They'll have a UPS access point there. Goat, they only use DPD, so it says, you see that? DPD pickup, they only use DPD. And the second page of Goat that of the shipping label and everything that you have to print off is what you have to put in the box. So this over here, you cut off and stick it to the in your cardboard box. This goes in the shoe box. Again, it has a barcode, order number over here. You got the DPD pickup, like the reference number, tracking number. Then you have the username of your account. Again, I can't show you that, personal details, but this is pretty much what happens over here. Very simple, and however, they don't really give you too much of instructions. You got all of that on the page 1, and yeah, it just shows you. So this is what I saw last time. Air Jordan 1 made apricots. I managed to sell this. I think this was my second ever pair I managed to get that I resold. Again, you see this, please include with your item when shipping. So you have to put this inside the box. If you don't have a shoe, if you're not selling shoes, or just, you know, selling accessories, you don't put it in the accessory box, because the box could be as small as this. You don't want to put it in there. You could literally just fold it up and just put it in there, and put it in the actual cardboard box, and it should be fine. So far, recently, I've been selling on Alias and Goat. It's pretty much next day delivery done, and my verification done is done the day after, and I get my funds. However, on Goat and Alias, the funds are not released into your PayPal account. You can attach your PayPal account, but they use bank transfer, and bank transfer does take up to 1 day. So yeah, you see how it works for you. I mean, you should experiment with every platform. Sometimes you got to do is just keep on selling on these platforms to reduce the commissions and the fees, and see where you can make more profit. It's all about how to increase your profit, and these platforms, StockX, Goat, Alias, Laced, are very good. Laced is very similar to Goat and Alias. You will have to go and confirm the sale. Once you have confirmed the sale online, they don't have an app, so you have to do it, logging in online to your account and confirm the sale there, and then you have to request a shipping label, which then you have 2 days to basically send your item that you have sold. So in my opinion, I think Laced will build a app in the future, and it's just that for now they don't have any app at the moment, and yeah, so you'll have to log into your account and check everything. But please make sure you keep on logging in and checking that you have made a sale or not, just to confirm. Right guys, so the Laced payout, the way this works is you enter up your bank details just like Goat and Alias, and when you do get your item verified successfully, the funds will be available in your account. You decide how much you want to cash out. However, with Laced, it does take up to 2 to 3 days, possibly up to 4 days as well, for your funds to arrive into your bank account. I mean, if you are low on capital, maybe you should avoid using Laced only for that duration of the time. When you are good on capital, then I would say just use it. However, it is a bit long in terms of the payout, but I do think in the future they might start using PayPal, and transfers and all that kind of stuff may work a little bit quicker than normal. Yes, so guys, and that's in terms of the shipping labels. The next part is shipping. So as I said, as I probably have already covered, DPD, you go there, you show it to them that you got a DPD, that you got a parcel to return or to ship. They'll take the parcel, they will scan the barcode, they'll give you a tracking number, and they also take your phone number, so you can get like a digital, like a receipt, or you can track it yourself as well. Same with StockX. StockX, they'll take your phone number and they'll give you a digital, like a receipt and a text message that saying that you can use this link to track your item, and that basically can just pretty much help you track it down, track the whole journey down. But again, you don't need to worry too much. It pretty much gets delivered next day, and yeah, your funds are released. And please make sure, double check, I've done that so many times, that you're selling the right item. I've sold the same item, I've sold Yeezy sliders, but I sold the wrong ones. It's just the wrong color, but I thought it was the right color because I didn't look at it properly, or the right size. So make sure you check on the shoebox. Whatever size it says in the shoebox is exactly what you listed on the account, on the selling page. So please make sure you look at all of these, pay attention to all of these small details, and not make any silly mistakes, as I have done in the past and a lot of people have done as well. But this information I'm giving out to you guys, mainly the new beginners, please make sure you do rewind the video back, just in case you didn't understand. Please go back, and also let me know in the comments below if I have not covered anything that you may want to ask. Please follow me on Instagram as well, mons_prnc. I've helped a lot of people there. People have asked me, please could you help us with this, and how does this help, and I have helped them. Please guys, all I'm asking is to subscribe, for you guys to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and that's it. And I hope this video has helped you. If it did, please leave a like, smash the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and as always guys, have a nice day and peace.